Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Golden Visa, which is currently being discussed everywhere. What exactly is the Golden Visa and how can we obtain it? The Golden Visa is a 10-year residency card, a long-term residence visa that comes with many benefits. Businessmen can also obtain it, as well as those who own property in the UAE worth more than 2 million, or exactly 2 million. Partners in any startup business can also acquire it, but there are different conditions for each category. An employee who is educated and has a salary of 30,000 can also obtain it, but there are certain conditions that must be met. Those who believe they need a golden visa and can afford it should definitely apply for the golden visa, as this long-term residency visa is filled with many benefits. The most important thing is that it does not require sponsorship from any UAE citizen. It is your personal visa under which your family can come. Even if there are 10 family members, they can all come to the UAE with you for 10 years. Moreover, if a partner holding this 10-year visa is no longer in this world, the rest of the family can still stay there for the full 10 years. It is not the case that the visa is invalidated due to the absence of the person who obtained it. If he is not there, those people will go back, but they can complete their tenure and return after 10 years. You can also renew this visa for another 10 years. In addition to this, there are many benefits. If you want to obtain a 10-year visa, meaning you want to get the golden visa, please contact the number displayed on the screen, call, WhatsApp, and get information. If you want to get the visa, not only will you receive information, but you will also be assisted in obtaining the visa. Please remember me in your prayers and try to always do lawful work wherever you are.